You work too hard to stay broke. Where does your money even go? Do you actually know your bills? What are you paying for monthly? When did you last check? Can you name every subscription right now? Here is something wild. The average person loses money every month. Not hundreds either. More like $2,000 a year. Gone on stuff they forgot about. That is real money just vanishing. Nobody warned you about that. It just quietly drains your account. Life Admin fixes all of this. It is a free app. It tracks every single bill, every subscription in one place. It shows you what you owe. It reminds you before things hit. You see everything on one screen. Nothing hides from you anymore. No more paper scattered around your house. No more sticky notes that disappear. No more frustration at the end of month. Your phone is always with you, so your finances always are too. That is peace of mind. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment below what you overpay for. Download Life Admin for free today. Stop guessing where your money goes. Start knowing exactly what you spend. You already work hard enough. Now let your phone work too. To do it,